ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। इन वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 72. In Moolam, we were seeing Tadiha Brahma Sakshatkara Swapna Prapancho Ma Abadhi. On that there is a tippani. यद्यपि सी टिप्पणी नंबर 1 यद्यपि लब्धेषु सर्वपुस्तकेषु स्वप्न प्रपंचो मा बाधिष्ट इति एव पाठ उपलभ्यते. इन ऑल टेक्स्ट्स दिस पाठ स्वप्न प्रपंचो मा बाधिष्ट बिकॉज इट इज लुंग लकार अबाधिष्ट मांगी लुंग अकार लोप अबाधिष्ट. तथापि मांग उपपदस्य बधेः कर्मणि लुंगी चण भाव कर्मणो इति अनेन मा अबाधि इति स्वप्न प्रपंचम मा अबाधिष्ट इति वा प्रयोगेण भाव्य. So actually in this two dhatus are there, badh dhatu and badh dhatu. If you use badh dhatu, you will get lung lakara prathama purusha ekvachanam as abadhi. Abadhi. Badh dhatu. If you do lung lakara, if you say badh dhatu, lung lakara, कर्तरी लुंग प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन विल बी अबाधिष्ट. बध धातु बध संयमने. इफ यू डू भाव कर्मणो हो लुंग लकार विल बी अबाधि. भाव कर्मण मीन्स कर्मणि प्रयोग और भावे प्रयोग. सो हियर ही गिव्स इन टिप्पणी कर्मणि लुंग कर्मणि लुंगी चिण भाव कर्मणो हो इति अनेन मा अबाधि इति स्वप्न प्रपंचम अबाधि. सो डिपेंड्स अपॉन इफ यू यूज बध धातु और बाध धातु. इति वा प्रयोगेण भाव्यम. इति वा प्रयोगेण भाव्यम मीन्स इति वा प्रयोगो भवेत्. प्रयोगेण भाव्यम मीन्स प्रयोगो भवेत्. जागरण वृत्त्या फर्दर आई एम रीडिंग इन टिप्पणी. जागरण वृत्त्या इति अध्याहारः. जागरण वृत्त्या दिस अध्याहार you have to do. If you do जागरण वृत्त्या अध्याहार means स्वप्न प्रपंचम जागरण वृत्त्या मां अबाधिष्ट और मां अबाधी. Let the swapna prapancha not get negated by Jagrat. So, if you remember, what is the context going on? When we,
Karya we have two types.
the nasha, karya nasha is of two types. One is
Ba- Badha
upadana.
and
One is with upadana, another is vidyamane upadane. Upadana will remain. And why this discussion has come? Because when I go from swapna to jagrat, if swapna prapancha bad has taken place, then bad would happen only if I have realized my brahmatva. If brahma jnanam is not there, but swapna vishayas are not upalabdha in jagrat, brahma jnanam is not there and swapna vishayas are not upalabdha in jagrat, then swapna prapancha bada has not taken place because adhisthana jnanam has not taken place. So it is said it is only nivritti of the
Swapna.
swapna vishayas. Swapna vishayas nivritti has taken place. Swapna vishayas bada has not taken place. Nivritti because of jagrad avastha. जागरण वृत्त्या स्वप्न प्रपंचम मां अबाधिष्ट और मां अबाधी. लेट दी स्वप्न प्रपंच नॉट गेट निगेटेड बाय जागृत वृत्ति. तथा च, फर्दर इन टिप्पणी, तथा च जागरण वृत्ति ही स्वप्न प्रपंचम मां बाध्यता. जागरण वृत्ति स्वप्न प्रपंचम मां बाध्यता. मे दी जागृत वृत्ति नॉट निगेट स्वप्न प्रपंच. जागरण वृत्ति ही स्वप्न प्रपंचम मां बाध्यता. परंतु तम निवर्तयति. जागरण वृत्ति does not do badha of swapna prapancha, but jagrat vritti does nivartanam of swapna prapancha. Iti abhyupagame ko virodha. In that, where is the objection? There is no virodha. Virodho nasti ityarthah. कर्मणः एव कर्तृत्व विवक्षया यथाश्रुत पाठस्य उपपत्तिः कर्तुं शक्यते. So if we have to use bhava karma, lung lakar in bhava karma, then that karma is kartrutva vivakshaya. Karmanah eva kartrutva vivakshaya. So karma prayoga is like karta. The drishtanta I had given, karmanah kartrutva vivakshaya, means not last session, somewhere earlier I have given the example. If the wood is to be cut and the wood is so soft that without putting much effort to cut, as if it cuts by itself. So, there is a karta, and this log of wood is a karma. But karma itself has kartrutva vivaksha, as if it itself is splitting itself. Like how Jagat comes into being by itself, as if, without karta. So karta is there, but Jagat is karma. But as if it manifests on its own. I think in Brahadaranyaka, in 147, I had explained this. Or rice, they give the example, odanam pachate. As if the rice is getting cooked on its own. Pachate or pachyate. So, of course, rice is not going to get cooked on its own. Somebody has to do the other effort. But karta's role is minimal. So that is why karmana eva kartatva vivakshaya. This part is possible. Upapatti hi kartum shakyate. तथापि क्लिष्टकल्पनया अपेक्षितस्य अर्थस्य अनुपलब्धेश्च मा अबादि इति पाठः स्थापितः. So here Tippanikar is just saying that the part is given as ma abadhi. He could have given ma abadhishta. In the absence of Brahma Sakshatkara, Swapna Prapancha may it not get negated by Jagrat. But its nivritti will happen because of Jagrat Vritti. This much is okay. And then later what is given is all which tika and which pustaka, etc., etc. Further in Moolam, Musala Praharena Ghataderiva Virodhi Pratyantarodayena Swapna Janaki Bhuta Nidradi Dosha Nashena Va Gajadi Nivruttau Ko Virodha. Drishtanta he gives Musala Praharena Ghatadehe Iva. Musala Prahara, if you do, Ghata Nasha will take place or not?
Yes.
Yes. Ghata Nasha will be with Upadana Nasha or Upadane Vidyamane. Ghata Nasha.
Upadana Vidyama.
Upadanam is there, means the Mrittika is still there, and Ghata Nasha. That is called Ghata Nivritti. It is not Ghata Badha. So Musala Praharena Ghata Deriva Virodhi Pratyantar Udayana. When Virodhi Pratyaya arises in Buddhi, Virodhi means different from Swapna Prapancha. In Swapna also, he will give the example. Swapna Janaki Bhuta Nidradi Doshe Nava. In Swapna Janaki Bhuta Nidradi Dosha Nashena. Sorry, Nidradi Dosha Nashena. Nidradi Dosha is the Swapna Janaka. Swapna arises because of Nidradi Dosha. Nidradi Dosha is Swapna Janaka. When Nidradi Dosha Nasha takes place, then what will happen? Gajadi Nivritti will happen. It is like Ghata Nasha. There is no Badha. It is Nivritti. So Swapna Gajadi Nivritti will happen. There is no Virodha. Co-Virodha is Akshepa. Tika. ब्रह्म साक्षात्कार अभावात स्वप्न प्रपंचो मा अबाधि गजादि निवृत्तौ को विरोध इति अन्वयः. In the absence of Brahma Sakshatkara, let the Swapna Prapancha Badha not happen. Swapna Prapancho ma abadhi. Gajadi Nivruttau ko virodha. Ma abadhi means ma badhi in this way. In gajadi nivritti, where is the virodha? Nivritti will happen. Iti अन्वयः. तत्र हेतुमाह विरोधी इति. यथा उपादान सत्वे अपि मुसल प्रहारेण घटादि निवृत्तिर्भवति. Upadana sattva api, when upadana is there, even if musala prahara happens, ghatadi nivritti will take place. Ghata nama rupa is not available anymore. Tatha virodhi vrityantarodayena gajaderapi, when virodhi vritti takes place, gajaderapi nivritti rupapadyate. Gajati will go away. Like another drashta example he gives, swapneva ashwadi pratyaya gajadi nivritti darshanat. Not that I have to wake up from swapna. In swapna, instead of gaja, I see ashwa. Gaja is gone. So for that, I don't need Brahma Sakshatkara. Like that, some other swapna pratibhasa vishaya is replaced by another pratibhasika vishaya. So purva vishaya nivritti takes place. Same thing you can say, swapna mithya vishaya is replaced by jagrat mithya vishaya without Brahma Sakshatkar. One mithya is replaced by another mithya. That nivritti can happen. Like how in us also, one pratyaya is there. Aham karta. That pratyaya is replaced by aham bhokta. So it's not that I have understood aham brahmasmi, therefore aham karta vritti is gone. Aham karta was there, now I am aham bhokta. Aham brahma has not taken place. Still one vritti can go, another vritti can come. After some time, aham neither karta nor bhokta, aham pramata. That can continue for some time. And then after some time, karta, bhokta, pramata, all vritti will go aham agnya, sushupti. Aham Brahma has not happened. Another mithya vritti has come. So this can go on from one kalpa to another kalpa, one yuga to another yuga. Mithya vrittis can continue forever until we attain.
Brahma.
So if we don't attain realization, then we should be ready for Punarjanma. So to deny that, no, I don't want Punarjanma, you have to pay the price for it. Just by saying, I don't want Punarjanma, and I keep doing whatever I am doing, then I will keep getting whatever I was getting. Virodhi vritti antara nivrittau punarutpattim ashankya hetvantaram aha. Virodhi vrittyantara. Virodhi vritti like ashwa instead of gaja, ashwa vritti came. Then ashwa vritti nivritti will happen. So when ashwa goes, again gaja will come. Not necessary. Hetvantaram is given. Swapna janaki bhuta. Nidradi dosha nasha can happen. You can wake up. Nidra dosha is gone. Another avidya dosha is there. So there is no end to the ways in which dosha can express. Earlier, let's say I thought of someone in one negative way. Afterwards, I think of the same person in another negative way. There is not much difference. Same thing is true about myself also. Swapna pratiti janaki bhuta ityartha. Swapna janaki bhuta means swapna pratiti janaki bhuta. Adipadena adrishtadi sangraha. Adrishta, that prarabdha is over. So one part is gone. Like somebody thinks I am Acharya, let us say, somewhere. Now that prarabdha is over. Now I am not Acharya. But I have not understood I am Brahma. What has happened is that position has changed. That's all. ननु शुक्तिरूप्यस्य बाधो निवृत्तिर्वा इति अपेक्षायाम आह. So now Shukti Rupya, is there Badha or Nivritti? This is the question. Shukti Rupya se Badho Nivrittirva. Iti apekshayam aha evam cha Shukti Rupya se Shukti avachinna chaitanya nishtha Tula Vidya Karyatva Pakshe Shukti Riti Jnanena Tad Ajnanena Saha Rajatasya Badha. Lot of these topics are from Panchapadika. The current discussion, this is there in Panchapadika and Vivarana. So Shukti Rupyasya Shukti Avachinna Chaitanya Nishtha Tula Vidya Karyatva Paksha is 1. Mula Vidya Karyatva Paksha is 2. Now you have to note this. In Vedanta Paribhasha, if all your earlier concepts and everything is not clear, these terms you will not know what is being discussed. This is not like in Ramayana or Bhagavatam, that even if you don't attend few sessions, after that some story will continue and some Upadesha will continue. You can join anytime. Or in Bhagavad Gita, one chapter is over, another chapter is there, so it's fine. Here you have to know all this. What is Tula Vidya, Mula Vidya? You should have already learned. Now you see Tippani number 1. प्रातिभासिकाः पदार्थाः तूला विद्या कार्या इति पद्मपादाचार्याः. Padmapadacharya ji says pratibhasik padartha is tula vidya karya. Means Shukti Rajata is Shukti Avidya Karyam. Shukti Avidya is the Upadana Karana for Shukti Rajata. Tanmate Shuktiriyam Ityadi Jnanena Shuktitva Ajnana Rupaya Tula Vidyaya Pratibhasik Upadana Bhutaya Saha Rajata Der Badha. By that Padmapadacharya ji's mata, Tanmate Shuktiriyam. What is the nature of Jnanam? Shuktiriyam. Not Nedam Rajatam. Nedam Rajatam is only Anuvada. Shuktiriyam Ityadi Jnanena. See, these tippanis are most helpful. Because in other books, these tippanis are not there. Here it clarifies. Shuktiriyam ityadi jnanena shuktitva jnana rupaya tula vidyaya pratibhasika upadana bhutaya saha rajatadir badaha. Shuktiriyam is the jnanam. By this jnanam, what will happen? Shuktitva ajnana rupa, Shuktitva ajnana is tula vidya. By that tula vidya, pratibhasika rajatam utpannam. So pratibhasika upadana bhuta is what?
Shukti Avidya.
Shuktitva avidya. Shukti avidya, in part it is given Shuktitva ajnana. Pratibhasika upadana bhutaya saha rajatadir badha. So badha will happen of Shuktitva jnanam. Sorry, Shuktitva ajnanam and rajata. Shuktitva ajnanam will go by Shukti Jnanam, Shuktiriyam. By this Jnanam, Shuktitva Ajnana will go. And Rajata Badha will take place. Rajata there Badha. This is Padmapadacharyaji's matam. Mula Vidya Karya iti Mishradi Mate. Who is this?
वाचस्पति मिश्र.
Mishra. Vachaspati ji Bhamati matam. So Padma Padacharya, there you, if you want, you can write Vivarana. And Mishra Mata means Bhamati Mata. Even though Vivarana Mata is Padma Padacharyaji's successors. Mula Vidya Karya. What is the common in both matam?
Avidya is common.
It is Avidya Karya. This is common. Tula Vidya or Mula Vidya. It is Avidya Karyam. This is common. Mula Vidya Karya. Mula Vidya Karya का क्या? Mula Vidya Karya का मूला विद्या कार्य का
Shukti Rajat.
शुक्ति ज्ञान
मूला विद्या कार्य का प्रातिभासिकाः पदार्थाः. See the first line. प्रातिभासिकाः पदार्थाः तूला विद्या कार्य इति पद्मपादाचार्य. मूला विद्या कार्य इति मिश्रादिमत. So what you should say? प्रातिभासिकाः पदार्थाः मूला विद्या कार्य. प्रातिभासिक पदार्थ means रजत, not shukti. मूला विद्या कार्य इति मिश्रादिमते. According to Vachaspati Mishra Matam, Mula Vidyaya Brahma Jnana Matra Badhyayaha. Mula Vidya Badha will happen only through Brahma Jnana, not Shuktiriyam Jnana. Brahma Jnana Matra Badhyayaha. Tasyaha Shuktiritya Karaka Jnanena Badha Abhave api. So Shukti Jnanena Badha will not happen. Nivritti will happen. According to Vachaspati Mata, Badha of Pratibhasika Prapancha will happen only when you understand you are Brahma. Until then, only Nivritti. Mean they all are there in Karana Avastha. Shuktiritya Karaka Jnanena Badha Bhave api. Musal Praharena Vidyamane eva Upadane Mridi. घट निवृत्तिवत रजतस्य निवृत्तिरेव. विद्यमाने एव उपादाने. उपादानम is still there. उपादाने विद्यमाने मृदि घट निवृत्तिवत. In मृत्तिका, how घट निवृत्ति takes place? रजतस्य निवृत्तिरेव. रजत निवृत्ति will take place. So in Moolam we read Shukti Rupyasya Shukti Avachinna Chaitanya Nishtha Tula Vidya. Shukti Avachinna Chaitanya Tan Nishtha Tula Vidya. Tasya Karyam Shukti Rupyam. Tula Vidya Karyatva Pakshe means Padma Padacharya Pakshe. Shukti Riti Jnanena Tad Ajnanena Saha Rajatasya Badha. By Shukti Riti Jnanam, Shukti Ajnanam will go, Rajata Badha will take place. In Tika, Karyanashasya Dvaividhya Sati. Karyanasha is of two types. Shukti Riti Jnanena. Nedam Rajatam इति ज्ञानम तु अनुवादः. Many times it is said in this way, nedam rajatam. Nedam rajatam is only anuvada jnanam. What is the mukhya jnanam?
Iyam
Iyam Shukti.
Shuktiriyam is mukhya jnana. Nedam rajatam is anuvada. अनुवादः शुक्तित्व प्रकारक ज्ञानस्य रजतादि भेदा ज्ञान निवर्तकत्वात्. शुक्तित्व प्रकारक ज्ञान is रजतादि भेद अज्ञान निवर्तक. शुक्तित्व प्रकारक ज्ञानम, it will remove rajatadi bheda. Means whatever is rajata or rang or some other words they use, different things, they all are eliminated. रजतादि भेद अज्ञान निवर्तकत्वात्. तदुक्तम पंचपादिकायाम. पंचपादिका उदाहरण में गिवन. शुक्तित्व ज्ञानम एव बाधकम नेदम रजतम इति अनुवादः. शुक्तित्व ज्ञान is the बाधक ज्ञान and नेदम रजतम is अनुवादक ज्ञान. रजतस्य बाधः in मूलम we saw. तदज्ञानेन सह रजतस्य बाधः. रजतस्य बाधः उपादानेन सह नाशः. रजत बाध will take place means upadana karana is also gone. Avidya is gone. तूला विद्याश्च मूला ज्ञानस्यैव अवस्था विशेषः. And what is tula vidya? Tula vidya is mula vidya avastha vishesha. This point also we should note. It is a vishesh avastha of mula vidya. Further in टीका. तदुक्तम विवरणे मूला ज्ञानस्यैव अवस्था भेदा रजतादि उपादानानि शुक्तिकादि ज्ञानैः सह अध्यासेन निवर्तन्ते इति. विवरण is quoted. So this vivarana means where this portion will be in the Brahma Sutra Adhyasa Bhashya, where Shukti Rajata Drishtanta is given. All of that portion is then commented by Padmapadacharya ji, is then sub-commented by Vivaranacharya. There all this discussion comes. Like for pages and pages, this discussion will go on. मूला ज्ञानस्यैव अवस्था भेदा रजतादि उपादानानि. रजतादि उपादानम एक्सेट्रा आर अवस्था भेदा. शुक्तिकादि ज्ञानैः सह अध्यासेन निवर्तन्ते. शुक्तिकादि ज्ञानैः, टू मात्रा देयर. सह by शुक्तिकादि ज्ञान अध्यासेन सह, सहाध्यासेन निवर्तन्ते. सहाध्यासेन निवर्तन्ते कानि रजतादि उपादानानि इति. मूला विद्या कार्यत्व पक्षे न वाचस्पति मिश्र पक्ष. मूला विद्या कार्यत्व पक्षे तु स्वप्न गजादिवन निवृत्ति रीत्याः. So if Mula Vidya is there, Mula Vidya Karyam is Pratibhasika Padartha, then Swapna Gayadivat Nivritti is there. In Mulam, Mula Vidya Karyatva Pakshe tu, Mula Vidyaya Brahma Tattva Sakshatkar Matra Nivartyataya, Shuktitva Jnanena Anivartyataya, रजतस्य तत्र शुक्ति ज्ञानान् निवृत्ति मात्रम मुसल प्रहारेण घटस्य इव. in Mula Vidya Karya, if you say Pratibhasik Padartha is Mula Vidya Karya, then Brahma Vidyayaha, Mula Vidyayaha, Brahma Tattva Sakshatkara Matra Nivarti. Mula Vidya will go only when Brahma Sakshatkara takes place. Shuktitva Jnanena Anivartyataya. Shuktitva Jnanena Nivritti will not take place. Anivartyataya. Rajatasya Tatra Shukti Jnana Nivritti Matra. Rajatasya Shukti Jnanat Nivritti. Rajata Nivritti will happen through Shukti Jnanam, not Badha. Like Musala Praharena Ghatasya. Eva. Tika. Any tippani number? Tad Ajnanena, 1 number tippani said, Shuktitva Ajnanena Tula Vidya Rupena. Where is second number tippani? It will come. Okay. See Tika. Nanu Asmin Pakshe Shukti Rupya Jnane Pramatva Prasanga. In this Paksha, Shukti Rupya Jnana, when it takes place, there is Pramatva Prasanga. Samsara Dashayam Abadhita. Abadhitatva Ghatitasya Lakshanasya Sattvat iti chet na. In Samsara Dasha, Abadhitatva Ghatitasya Lakshanasya Sattvat. That this is Abadhita. Shukti Rupya Jnanam, when it takes place, Badha has not taken place. Why? Abadhita padena agantuka dosha ajanyatwasya vivaksitatva. Abadhita means agantuka dosha ajanya. Abadhita vastu will be only Brahma. Everything else will be badhita. So while samsara is going on, means until I get Brahma Sakshatkara, Shukti Rupya Jnanam takes place, it is Prama. But in reality, Shukti Rupya is not Shukti. In reality, Shukti Rupya is Brahma. Therefore, Shukti is not Abadhita Jnana. Vyavaharik Abadhita, you can say. What was the last thing that you heard?
Shuktirupen
Vyavaharik
Shukti?
Vyavahara Bada Shukti Shukti
So Shukti शुक्ति रूप्य ज्ञानम is because of आगंतुक दोष. शुक्ति रूप्य ज्ञानम is not prama. In shukti rupya jnanam there is agantuka dosha, that if there is chakachikya, the see shukti as rupya. So shukti rupya jnanam is not prama, and it gets created in samsara dasha. Samsara dashayam abadhita it is not. Abadhitatva ghatitasya lakshanasya na satvat. Shukti, see, shukti jnanam is abadhitam in samsara dasha. Shukti rupya is not samsara dashayam abadhita. But shukti rupya is because of agantuka dosha, and it gets negated when I see shukti. Shukti jnanena rupya jnana badha. So that takes place. And therefore, abadhita, shukti rupya jnanam is not abadhitam, samsara dashayam. Shukti jnanam is samsara dashayam abadhitam. Therefore, shukti jnanena shukti rupyasya nivrittir bhavati, na tu badha. Is it clear?
Yes.
ननु शुक्ति रजतस्य अविद्या कार्यत्वात् प्रतिभास समये सत्व स्वीकारे नेदम रजतम इति त्रैकालिक निषेध अनुपपत्तिर इति शंकते. शुक्ति रजतम इज अविद्या कार्यम. शुक्ति रजतस्य अविद्या कार्यत्वात् प्रतिभास समये, when the pratiti happens, pratibhasika, pratibhasa samaye, sattva svikare, if you accept that there is rajatam, when avidya is there, pratibhasika, sattva svikare, nedam rajatam iti traikalika nisheda anupapattihi. Nedam rajatam, this kind of traikalika nisheda. Traikalika nisheda means Nedam Rajatam says in 3 periods of time there is no Rajata here. Nasi dasti bhavishyati. Avidya saha karyena nasi dasti bhavishyati. Tattvamasyaadi vakyotha. This is there in Chitsukhi. Not Chitsukhi. This is in Brihadvartik. Avidya sahakaryena nasid asti bhavishyati. तत्वमस्यादि वाक्यार्थ सम्यक धी जन्म मात्रतः अविद्या सहकार्येण नासीद अस्ति भविष्यति. तत्वमस्यादि वाक्यार्थ सम्यक धी जन्म मात्र, when the right knowledge takes place, you understand avidya and its karya was never there, is not there, will never be there. So when was Shukti Rajata existing? Never. प्रतिभास समय सत्व स्वीकारे नेदम रजतम इति त्रैकालिक निषेध अनुपपत्ति. You are understanding the question here. What is his shanka? He says, if you say there is anirvachaniya rajata utpatti, anirvachaniya rajata, then the question is, anirvachaniya rajata is there or is not there? If you say it is there, sattvam svikare, then traikalika nishedha you cannot do. Nedam rajatam iti traikalika nishedha anupapattihi. So if you say there is pratibhasik rajat, you will get caught. If you say there is no pratibhasik rajat, then what is the problem?
Traikalika Nisheda cannot be done.
Then Traikalika Nisheda cannot be done. Traikalika Nisheda means you cannot say Nedam Rajatam. If Rajata is not there, you cannot do Nisheda of that which is not there. Aprasakta Pratishedha Dosha. Something is not there and you are saying it is not there. Everybody knows. And if somebody is there and you say it is not there in 3 periods of time, that is a dosha. So either way there will be dosha. Iti shankate nanu. This we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.